So the sandwich that we've chosen is a focaccia sandwich. So inside you have a red pepper hummus, then with some crushed avocado, with some chili and spring onion and coriander and a bit of lime juice and lime zest. Kilo peppers, and just being lightly pan-fried, finished with balsamic vinegar, so they're nicely glazed, and then just finished with some alfalfa shoots. So it's a light sandwich, although quite rich, and also a little bit of zing from the chili and the lime juice. Perfect pro-cook sandwich. Pro-cook Damascus 67 knife set.